Content writing is an area of digital marketing that works to inform, engage, and inspire audiences through long-form content. This includes everything from podcasts, blogs, and ebooks to newsletters and editorials. When it comes to content writing, the goal isn't to sell, but to build a brand's trust, credibility, and expertise instead. So, what skills do you need to be a great content writer? You might be surprised to know that it takes more than just good grammar, although that's important too. Great content writers have a solid understanding of SEO and keyword research, editing and proofreading, they're across current trends and topics, and know their way around various digital platforms. In this post, we've included links to courses and resources that will help you become an even better content writer, no matter whether you're just starting out or have a couple years under your belt. For more digital marketing tips and tricks, subscribe to the Digistorm YouTube channel and switch on your notifications to stay up to date with all of our latest videos.